For my TeachTech research project, I incorporated learning technologies into my graduate seminars. And what I was hoping to do was kind of move us away from just analyzing technologies to thinking about how we can design more inclusive and accessible technologies as graduate students. So the primary technologies that we utilized in the course were technologies used in user experience research. So at the beginning of the semester, many students were hesitant. We just had a lot of conversations, both one-on-one and as a group, about the role that technology plays in our lives as students and as professionals, so that they could see the ways in which they're already using technologies, even if they don't consider themselves to be a techie person. And so we did some individual conversations and interviews toward the beginning of the semester. Then toward the middle of the semester, when we started incorporating more of the industry readings, the things that were more practice, hands-on research and user experience. And then at the end of the semester, where students were asked to sort of take their training and incorporate it into something, a research area that was of interest to them. And so what ended up happening is that at the end of the semester, students saw how they could contribute ideas to technology design that were really powerful. I think the most interesting thing is what students are doing themselves with this, because they were part of the process. One student submitted a manuscript for publication based on visual rhetoric and Mexican history. Several students got together and put together a conference proposal. And for me, I want to continue expanding the opportunities that I provide for my students to not just think about how to make platforms, digital tools better, more effective, more accessible, more inclusive. And so I would actually incorporate more of those hands-on experiences within the course, experiences for students to try out new things that might be different or new to them, fail at using technologies. I think that's a big part of learning. I'm really grateful for the TeachTech experience. I learned a lot. I hope to be able to provide even more opportunities for students to incorporate technology design into their projects, maybe earlier in the semester, and continue thinking about the ways that PhD students can be not just critics, but developers of technologies.